Hi, I'm Brian from DeckSeal. At DeckSeal, we specialise in expert concrete cleaning and sealing that will restore and protect your surfaces. Are you tired of unsightly stains and slippery concrete surfaces around your property? It's time for a professional solution. Our seasoned professionals boast years of experience and use cutting-edge techniques to effectively remove stains and enhance the appearance of your concrete. Using top-of-the-line equipment and eco-friendly products, we deliver results that exceed expectations, leaving your concrete looking clean and vibrant. We prioritise safety above all else, ensuring that your concrete surfaces are thoroughly cleaned to minimise slip hazards. We understand the importance of your time, so we strive to deliver efficient service with minimal disruption to your daily routine. With competitive pricing and superior service, we offer excellent value for money. Don't let dirty, stained concrete detract from the beauty and safety of your property. Contact DeckSeal today for a free consultation and experience the difference yourself. Visit deckseal.com.au or call 1-800 332 525.